What is going on, guys? I just spent the last few hours searching for the best Nike promo codes in 2024. Trust me, guys, very difficult to find anything actually worth using, but I've managed to find some Nike discount codes that are going to save you a ton of money, and I think you're going to absolutely love them. So here is a tutorial showing you how to go and get them yourselves. Okay, guys. So this tutorial today is going to be showing you exactly how to get the best Nike promo codes in 2024. Now, these discount codes can save you $100 off your next Nike order. Alternatively, you can even get 50% off, so you could save potentially hundreds using the 50% off code. So let's get into it. You need to use your mobile phone. So I've got my iPhone here. I've opened up the internet, and you've got to go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. You've got to make sure you spell it correctly, guys, and you can pause the video and just copy it down how I've typed it there. But Wavy Coupons, pretty cool website. So get to this home screen, press the search bar and search what you're looking for. So you're looking for the Nike promo codes. So just type in Nike and you're looking for the Nike coupons and deals page, guys. This page here, pretty cool. As I mentioned, there's two different promo codes to choose from. You can get a $100 Nike discount code, or you can get a 50% off your next order code. So depending how much you're looking to spend and what exactly it is you're looking to purchase, you could potentially save hundreds with this code. But yeah, one thing to note, guys, is if you choose the $100 promo code for Nike, you do need to make sure you add at least $100 worth of product to your basket. I just thought I'd mention that. And it does work worldwide, so it says dollars, but it will just be in your local currency, the equivalent of. So click Show Coupon. Now, you need to unlock your promo code because these codes are pretty valuable. This one's, of course, worth $100. This stops people from stealing all of the limited codes because they are, like I said, in a limited supply. So you need to verify yourself as a real person. So tap Unlock Code. I'm not going to do it. I've already got enough promo codes, and like I said, they are limited. But yeah, you need to just verify yourself as a real person and just follow through the instructions. You need to just complete a couple of these like simple tasks. Basically, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending which ones you do. But yeah, super easy. And once you've done that and followed through these steps, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into numbers or characters, and you can copy your Nike code and enter it directly into the basket or at checkout. Super easy. I've done this multiple times. I've already got a promo code ready to go as well. So pretty easy. Head over to wavycoupons.com. Search for the Nike page and follow the instructions. Press that like button if I help save you money, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy.